So this is going to be a video about the life cycle of a forest. I'm in Fort McMurray right now, or at least close to town. In this area that I'm in here, this was 2016 fire. This is the burnt forest from the 2016 fire. There's new trees growing now. I don't know what these are, but there's bushes, plants, and all kinds of stuff out here growing. But the most important thing that I noticed is the ground. I don't even know how this happens, but the whole ground is like a big sponge. And I dug up a little sample here to show what the soil looks like here now. It seems like a natural peat moss. It's extremely moist. I mean, this stuff is like, you couldn't ask for better material to retain moisture. So I think this is a peat moss. And then there's also burned out tree stumps and things. It seems like the soil's washed away. And now the stumps just come right out of the ground now. So imagine if you were trying to clear land and you needed somewhere to grow food. You said, well, where are we going to grow the food? Where's a good spot? Burnt forest. Right? You got to take the stumps out. They just pop right out now. Look how easy it is to clear the land now. The fire did half the work for you, and it left you behind this. So this year, this is my garden. This is where I'm going to try growing food.